An initial estimation of losses to the agriculture sector as a result of the recent flood rains has put at over $2 billion. That's according to President of the Jamaica Agricultural Society, JAS, Norman Grant. Mr. Grant was speaking at the 21st staging of AgriFest at Jamaica College School grounds today. He said based on his interaction with farmers, up to 50% of the country's banana production has been destroyed. The sugarcane industry also suffered significant losses.
The loss to the cane industry is in the region of $2 billion. 2 billion Jamaican dollars. The coffee sector in the hills has sustained loss. Cash crop is almost wiped out.
He said livestock were wiped out in some areas. The Rural Agriculture Development Authority is still doing an official assessment, but Mr. Grant wants immediate assistance for farmers.
Cabinet meets on Monday morning. There must be an immediate strategy to support, to develop a national agricultural relief support program to support all the farmers who have been affected by this disaster.